Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a super cool 1969 Dodge Charger. This is a true RT car, guys, and a very, very cool car. This is really, let these trucks pass by, this is really a survivor car. I first learned about this car a couple of years ago. I tried to get it bought then. Of course, it didn't happen, but a buddy of mine out of North Carolina is the one who actually told me about this car. This car, the last time this car was actually titled was 1978. Sorry, trying to get these trucks to go by, all this road noise. But yeah, the last time this car was actually titled was 1978 in West Virginia, clean West Virginia car. I have that title. Of course, I own it. We bought it and we had to turn it into a Michigan title, but we got our state to send us that original 78 West Virginia title back. This car was driven in up until the 90s, the early 90s. It was actually put away in storage, and up until 2 years ago had been sitting in heated and climate control storage. Very cool car. Car has most of the original paint, factory F6 bright green car. Now, since I originally tried to buy this car, there's been some stuff done. It had the original vinyl top on it. They put some new front seat covers on the car, and they've also gone through the fuel system, put a new fuel tank and stuff like that. But still, this is, like I said, the car's probably got 90% of the original paint on it. Really, like I say, an unrestored survivor car. Car does not have the original engine in it. It's got a factory Chrysler replacement block in it. And like I say, don't think the paint's pretty, guys. This is the original paint. There's dings, there's scratches, but man, what an opportunity to buy a unrestored, like I say, 69 Charger RT. Original bumpers, very cool car. Again, the original block, it does not have the matching numbers block. It's got the second best thing. It has a Chrysler warranty block. I guess, you know, a couple of months after this car was new, they had a problem with the original engine. And I like to say, guys, I'm trying to point out all this that I can. Just understand, this is a really, 90% original paint car. When I first seen this car, my buddies in North Carolina is the one that actually found it for me. It had the original vinyl top. Now, it looked like it was going to blow off driving down the street. Again, this car went into a shop because it had been sitting in storage so long. They ended up deciding to put a new vinyl top on it, so it's got a brand new white vinyl top. They also did replace the front seat covers. Sorry, let me get you a little more detail on here, man. I'm getting excited and getting ahead of myself. Like you say, I probably would have left the original vinyl top on, but I have a funny feeling this car is going to end up as a pro touring car. It's pretty hard to find a all original panel 69 Charger, and I have a funny feeling that's kind of the way this car will go. But super nice car. Again, all original body panels, and I will tell you guys, when my buddy's the one who actually got it for me, he told me, you will not find a nicer driving 69 Charger. It is unbelievable how nice this thing drives. I mean, this thing hits the road outstanding. Again, all original trim here. Again, you can pick both that front and rear bumper. But again, all original panel car. It's got the rallies with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's even got the old style. I hate that, and believe me, I wanted to change it, but I'm leaving it alone. We didn't detail this car. We have done nothing but wipe this car down. It's got the old style cherry bomb mufflers on it. I'd put a set of flows on it. Like I said, I don't know the direction that somebody's going to go with this car, and I just wanted you to see that this car has really been left alone. I mean, it is all original underneath. The floors are rock solid. It's just a clean, straight old Mopar, guys. Super cool color. Love the color combination. Still has the stock front drum brakes on it. Again, non-matching numbers car. It does have a replacement block in it. You can see it does that. It's got the 69 intake on it. Stock exhaust manifold, stock intake, power steering, manual drum brakes, stock exhaust manifolds. Again, this is all original in here. We left it alone. It's got the stock radiator with the shroud, original fender tags in there. I don't like the orange heater hoses, but again, I left this thing alone. I did not want to mess with it. And again, there's a lot of different ways that people could go with this. You could leave it alone, or you could, you know, there's all kinds of different ways. You could kind of detail it up, clean it up, and just drive it. You could turn it into a pro touring car. You could, you know, a lot of different ways. You could just paint it. I don't know if I'd just do that, but it is such a clean, straight old car, and I know how hard 69 Chargers are to get. Again, 93, 94 is the last time that car was out, and then it went into a storage facility and sat there until just 2 years ago. What a cool car, man. And like you say, great driver. Factory remote mirror. 60, I think this car's got 61,000 original miles on it. Look how clean the bottoms of the doors are. And that's the original paint. Almost all the interior is original. I gotta believe this carpet's new. And I know those front seat covers are new. They're just too nice. Bucket seats, console. Again, that's all original in the back. I have ordered floor mats for it, the RT floor mats. Headliner's original. You can see a couple little splits in your steering wheel there. Dash is all original. Look like all the gauges work. 61,723 on your odometer. This factory AM, it's got a factory AM radio with an FM converter down there. It all works. Even my buddy Turk said that the 8-track works. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Again, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. It's got a 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Look how clean that car is, man. And again, you look in here, this is unrestored, guys. Look how solid the bottom of that trunk is. Original quarters, factory jacks in here. Again, you see all the insulation on your quarters the way it's supposed to be. The spare's gone. But man, just a super cool car. And like I say, runs and drives outstanding. They did put a new fuel tank on it. I believe they went through the fuel lines as well. Just because I'm sure sediment from the car sitting around. Floors are clean as can be, undetailed. We didn't touch them. Like I say, there's just so many ways you could go on this car. Again, clean it up, drive it, or, you know, like I say, you could pro tour it. I hate to see that happen, but I have a funny feeling that's kind of what's going to happen to this car. But man, it is such a good car, man. There's tons of ways to go with it. Again, floor mats are on the way. Taking forever to get that stuff in. Any parts right now are just taking forever to get. Original door handles. Again, that stainless is nice. A-pillar chrome on these cars is nice. And like I say, little baby doll, man. They have converted it to electronic ignition. Just runs and drives excellent, guys. Again, like I say, as you walk around, you can pick it. All your gauges are functional. Backup lights work. Good sound in 0440. Blower motor works. Yeah, it works. Turn your radio on. You got to show that left side. Let me see. Turn this on. Right? Then you operate everything right down here. That's it. Then it goes from FM to AM to. And then, like you say, he said the 8-track does work. Said he put an 8-track in it and wiggled it around a little bit, and sure enough, it started working. So if you got an 8-track collection, you can. Yep. Both of those work. Fender mount turn signals work. We got a ball bout on the left side. Yep. I'll make sure the guys get to that. Perfect. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. Every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. It's a great way to keep track of us. What a cool car, man. Yeah, I mean, literally leave it just like that and drive it. That's really the way I'd keep it. I'd change the exhaust. I hate the exhaust. That's the only thing I really don't like, to be honest with you. I would definitely put some stock turbos, or if you want to louden up, little Flowmaster or something like that. But look how clean that car is.